Azimio la umoja wa Kenya nigo babwatuka enkwana yabo na otabuna nigo barachikogendera gukora ukurubekana anonya abanyanyimbo bagenderete kubabeka byara egati yabara ikurwase ensemeyo namana nigo babere bakumochia ensemoyo burendi asa abanyanyimbo babere bagutumeka chinguru chegoro muno ase okoreta omurembe chinga kicho kurubekana nigo baterena nigo barachie korwa chinchera kirabwatiwe litkoria angyo magega ya matuka batatu yokurubekana arabe gakoera umurikeito Vincent Onyancha na mangi
IPOA, that's a Police Oversight Authority, which we are calling them.
Nobomo bwazimio aseri tokoria kabere lyokorobekana bakuru enkwana yabo anane komocha abanyanyimbo asogotumia chinguru goetania ekerengo.
And since we began this Maandamano, the photos of the police officers who have been given express authority or direction to kill leaders, innocent protesters that have been splashed all over. It's time IPOA must now take seriously its responsibility.
Nigo chinga kichibagi kiri abanyanyimbo asoko baitana kubarasaba Kenya bali bakorobekana ekorokeria bakubarwanira.
Tunashtumu vikali mauaji, kuumiza watu, kuvunjika kwa watu, lakini na nyinyi yenu itafika. Apili yangu ni wa Kenya. Musitishwe wa Kenya, musibabaishwe. Kenya ni yetu.
Nigo boiko bamuchire Kenya kwanza asoko tumia abanyanyimbo ko babeka byara bali abakorobekana asaba ko bamentre buna abantu babe kubyara ikokorobekana kogendere gokorekana.
As has been said, we are not going to stop. And if somebody thinks that by arresting a few people here and there, leaders are going to be to fear, we are not going to fear. And we are calling upon our members across the country in Siaya. Let us come out and let us demonstrate.
Korenga na baruni ko batebire buna abakenya nigo bagendrete kunrigwa anene ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza amo noborai bwabo.
Tumeona kwamba Wakenya kina mama, vijana, watoto, wazee wanateseka kwa uongozi wa dhuluma, kwa uongozi wa kukosa haki za kibinadamu, kwa uongozi usiostahili kwa karne hii. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba serikali iliyoko ambao si halali waachane na Wakenya waishi kwa amani. Tumechoka na ni lazima hii serikali iondoke mamlakani, Kenya isonge mbele.
Nigo basio ribuna ababunge na gati ya MCA ba Kenya kwanza nigo bahegwa chibesa ilikonyara gotorana na kuburukania okorobekana gwa Azimio wa Kenya.
There are people who have died, there are people who have been shot, there are colleagues of ours who have been arrested, and the only conclusion you can make is that there is a clear command structure. That command structure began with a meeting in State House. A meeting in State House that was clearly giving directions to members of parliament to retreat to their constituencies. We have information that each of them was funded to the tune of 250,000.
Umubunge Oktu Chacha South Anthony Kibagende nigate birubune nsemo yo kwamerera serikali Azimio wa Kenya mbagendrete kumirana erigosegeta okorobekana.
The other thing we would like to talk about is that demonstrations are ongoing. We haven't stopped. In Mombasa, they know where they should be meeting. In Kakamega, various parts of the country, and as the leader has said, in Nairobi we are meeting at Central Park in the next hour or two. And in Kisii, people will be meeting at Capital Roundabout. And we encourage our people to continue being peaceful in their demonstrations.
Na yenabo niko bamentre buna ankyo mbachikuro chinchira kirabwatigwe maiga yugo korobekana kwabo kwa matuka tato.
And the matter is now outside the scope of the law. And what Kilio Winnie or notice here? Yes, it's now outside the scope of the criminal justice process. We are proceeding, and as we said earlier on, at the end of day 3 tomorrow, we shall be giving the country further direction on the forthwith.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV, returning Chiankurokwa, Vincent Onyancha.